Hey there, saxophone enthusiasts from around the world. It's Rich G. Sax, and I'm thrilled to announce the launch of my one-year membership program, the New Horizons Saxophone Club Mastermind. In this video, I'll be discussing what the New Horizons Saxophone Club is and how it can benefit you. Whether you're a beginner, switching to saxophone from another instrument, or an experienced saxophonist looking to enhance your skills, this mastermind is an ideal way to get started. It's also suitable for those who used to play the saxophone but haven't played it in a while and want to get back into it. The New Horizons Saxophone Club is designed to equip our students with the elemental building blocks of saxophone playing so you can confidently perform in the style of your choice. I know what you're thinking. How is this different from any of the other resources currently out there? Let's talk about what makes our saxophone program unique. Most likely, you were influenced by something you heard when you decided to take up the saxophone. Typically, saxophone students want to play popular styles like rock, jazz, smooth jazz, and blues. However, despite these aspirations, most private saxophone teachers use the same outdated teaching methods. In-person saxophone lessons are expensive and inconvenient to arrange due to scheduling conflicts and travel time, and it can be challenging to find a suitable teacher nearby. In our saxophone mastermind, you will learn to play the music that inspired you to pick up the sax in the first place, without extensive travel or a long commute. I have a year-long program where I personally coach you to ensure you get the results you want, and you'll have all the guidance you need right from the comfort of your home. For example, here is Ricky. Ricky is one of my students whose musicality and performance quality experienced a boost as he acquired the ability to play across different styles and he learned to improvise. His saxophone playing confidence and enjoyment increased significantly as a result of us getting him on the right path. Perhaps you're trying to learn the saxophone through the use of method books. With countless saxophone method books available on the market, deciding which one to use can be overwhelming. Additionally, method books are not very helpful as they only provide information on what to do, but not on how to do it. At the New Horizons Saxophone Club, we offer a customized and flexible approach that caters to the unique needs of each of our students. Our program is adapted to you and designed to guide you through the process easily. As your saxophone instructor, I conduct 2 weekly 90-minute coaching sessions live on Zoom each week. The sessions are recorded and stored for future reference, allowing you to revisit the material as frequently as needed. During our weekly live coaching sessions, you'll get expert advice and professional guidance from me. Our sessions cover topics such as proper technique, improvisation, tune learning, and everything you need to become a top-notch sax player. In addition to trying to learn from method books, perhaps you're trying to learn the saxophone through YouTube. YouTube is undoubtedly the biggest hub of video tutorials worldwide for finding instructional content. However, due to the vast number of options available on the platform, it's virtually impossible to assess them all. Like most popular platforms, 95% of the content is unusable, while the remaining 5% could be valuable. The challenge lies in finding that 5%. The abundance of choices makes it almost impossible to locate the quality content that will meet your needs. Our Saxophone Mastermind provides pre-recorded saxophone training, that allows you to learn at your own pace and schedule, saving you from the time-consuming process of searching YouTube for the right video. Not only will our lessons help you improve your playing, but also leave you with more free time to practice or explore other styles of music. The training we offer is tailored specifically to focus on your skill level so that you can get the most out of every lesson. If you're relying on learning from saxophone apps, you won't receive any personalized feedback on your playing from an app, nor will you have the support of a community of saxophonists who are thriving together. Within our mastermind, you'll get access to a network of like-minded and passionate musicians. We'll provide you with resources and a platform where you can discuss techniques and gain valuable insight into mastering this incredible instrument. You'll be able to learn from one another in an uplifting atmosphere that's all about encouragement and support. Having taught saxophone for more than 25 years, I can confidently say that this saxophone mastermind offers the most current and comprehensive learning experience for anyone looking to learn the saxophone at this time. So, why would you want to do something like this? There are a lot of benefits of playing the saxophone for adults. In case you are concerned about time, I just wanted to let you know that between work, family, and social life, we have more free time than we often realize. On average, we have more than 5 hours of free leisure time each day. And playing the saxophone is a great way to utilize this leisure time to actively invest in yourself, to invest in your mind, your spirit, and your well-being. It provides a peaceful retreat from the daily life pressure. It's therapeutic, exercises your brain, and in our program, we provide you with meaningful opportunities to connect with others. Let me give you an example. Here is Joe. Joe is one of my students who got back into playing after being away from the saxophone for a while, because he missed having the support and camaraderie of other fellow musicians who share in his love for the instrument. Now that we talked about who's it's for, let's talk about what this saxophone club is designed to do. The Saxophone Mastermind focuses on putting the sax together, playing all the notes and fingerings, learning how to read rhythm and pitch, playing popular songs, and the critical ingredients to learn improvisation. Our approach emphasizes personalized instruction and a supportive environment where everyone has fun while learning, where all members are united in their passionate pursuit of the saxophone, bonded by unwavering joy, where the emphasis is on engaging with fellow saxophonists in a collective learning experience rather than passively watching lengthy videos alone. It's a vibrant community of saxophonists creating an atmosphere of camaraderie akin to a friendly gathering, all while honing their craft and striving for excellence. The way this works is the mastermind is delivered for a year and provided in several phases. Each stage of the program would include instructional videos on important saxophone playing concepts. We would provide the instruction on a platform only available to our students. So in phase 1, we call this phase Saxophone Essentials. Since we are working with students from around the world, it's important to ensure everyone has a solid foundation to draw from. So we go over setting up your saxophone, playing position, correct posture, which ties into performance wellness, forming an embouchure to create a proper tone, tonguing basics, all fingerings and notes on the saxophone, mouthpieces, reeds, brands and sizes, developing music literacy, and saxophone transposition, so you can experience the satisfaction of hitting every note in your home jam session. Phase 2 is called Mastering Your Saxophone Sound. Our tone is the most important ingredient in our playing. If we don't have a good tone, no one will want to listen to us perform. In this phase, we will help you strengthen your embouchure, airflow, diaphragm support to improve intonation. We'll develop your low and upper range on the saxophone, so you can feel confident performing in public with the best sound possible and better connect with your audience at a higher level. In Phase 3, we call this phase Saxophone Artistry. Here we help you to develop sound saxophone technique through scale patterns and troubleshooting everyday performance issues. We take a deeper look at practice so you can learn to use your time efficiently to get the results you want quickly. Understanding your progress on the saxophone, gaining confidence, and overcoming performance anxiety so you can play with confidence and consistency. For example, here is Alora. Alora highlights how our program focuses on our students' strengths and how we emphasize the importance of proper practice techniques in our teaching. Alora also speaks to the quality of our constructive feedback in enhancing our students' performance. All right, so now in Phase 4, it's all about repertoire, learning melodies, tunes, and solos in popular styles, using your greatest asset, your ear, which is the fastest way to learn repertoire, so you can achieve your goal of commanding the stage, playing in front of an audience in a local pop band, community band, or jam session. In Phase 5, it's improvisation mastery. Memorizing scales, chords, and melodies gives courage to our imagination. In this phase, we will help you with the essential language of jazz improvisation and vocabulary, the importance of rhythm and timing in creating a great sounding solo. You will learn to make melodies of your own through ad-libbing, motivic and scale tone improvisation, so you can improvise like the all-time greats you've listened to for years. For example, here's Ansi. Here is Simone. What both these students have in common is that we got them on the right path to improvisation using the same methods included in this mastermind. Here are what other professional musicians have said about our students' improvised solos at competitions and at masterclass workshops. So, if you're the kind of person who likes to sit home alone and watch videos all by yourself, this program is probably not for you. This program is for those who want to be in a community of saxophonists, where everyone is crushing it. We prioritize interactions among our fellow saxophone students. We aim to create an informal and friendly experience marked by our shared improvement. The opportunity for musicians to learn alongside one another, creating a unique environment where each musician helps one another achieve their full potential. The program's goal is to equip our students with the elemental components of saxophone playing so our members can confidently perform in the style of their choice. It doesn't matter who your audience is, whether it's to perform for your family and friends, play in your community band, sit in at a jam session, be the sax player in a band, perform at your church, or play your favorite songs at home for fun. We will work with you so you can achieve that goal by the end of the year. If this interests you, book a free saxophone chat with me, and we will take a look at where you're at and where you want to go to see if something like this can benefit you. No pressure, just a chill conversation with me. However, you need to choose a time today as we have a member cap of 25 members. So those spots are first come, first serve, and I'm sending this announcement out to tons of saxophone enthusiasts. I look forward to chatting with you soon.